You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this character. In English, a Disney movie as well. English pronunciation, how to pronounce Aladdin. Let's break it down. Yes, in Arabic it probably be said as Aladdin, Aladdin. But in English it starts with an la. Then the stress is on the second syllable, stress on that la syllable. How to pronounce English pronunciation Aladdin. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.